Just wanna be with you.
Welcome back, guys. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Anwar's Mobile Detailing, located in Los Angeles, California. Today I'm going to be doing an engine bay detail on a BMW X5. So let's get started. A preliminary rinse will take off layers of dirt, dust, and grime located on the surface of the engine bay. Remember not to spray water in any one area for too long. In other words, keep the sprayer moving at all times. Now it's time to apply engine degreaser to the engine bay. Coat all exposed surfaces with the degreaser. Use a soft bristled scrub brush to distribute the degreaser and scrub stubborn grease right off the surface. Do so gently, as you do not want to scratch the surface. The main benefit of an engine bay detail is to prevent rust and corrosion within the engine bay. Generally, the engine bay can be the dirtiest place out of the whole vehicle. Dirt and grime can be found accumulated in the engine bay, especially the rubber hose areas. Now that I'm done with the agitation process, it's now time to rinse off the degreaser completely. Remember, if you're using a pressure washer, keep the sprayer moving at all times during the rinse process. Take your time, be patient, and thoroughly remove all remaining degreaser off the engine bay. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like button, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. After the final rinse has been completed, it's now time to dry the engine bay. Now that the engine bay is dry, it's time to apply your favorite conditioner. Today I'm using Meguiar's Hyperdressing, a water-based conditioner, perfect for our engine bay details. I am applying the Meguiar's Hyperdressing with a paint gun for even distribution, and it even saves time. Remember, in this business, time is money. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Until next time, peace.
Just wanna